Welcome to Click Academic. We will be starting a series on logic and set theorem. In this lesson, number 1, we will be discussing on logic, which is the first part of the course, logic. Now, when we are talking about logic, we have to know, or we ought to know, what meant by the proposition. Now, when we say a proposition, we say a proposition is a statement that is either true or false, but not both. Now, how can we know? Okay, if I said 3 is less than 7, or 3 is greater than 7. Now, if I give you this in the form of question, it either be true or false. It can be either true, 3 is less than 7, or 3 is less than or is greater than 7. But if I say, what is your name? This one is not a proposition. Why? Because I may tell you that, okay, what is your name? I can say Omar. If I say, okay, my name is, let's say, John, you see there will be a contradiction. And because of this, we now say, okay, a logic is a statement that is either true or false, but will not have true and false value at the same time. That's what we call a truth value statement. So now after this, we have types of proposition. We have simple proposition, meaning when we say simple proposition, it's just a statement is said to be proposition. A statement is said to be simple proposition if it has only one proposition. Now let's take example as let's say Musa is a governor. Let's take it like this, governor, meaning this is a proposition. This meaning with just only one sentence, we don't have any connectives between them. Then we have what you call a compound proposition or compound statement. This compound statement is a proposition, two or more propositions joined together using connectives. I know when you're adding something connectives, you'll be confused. What do you mean by connectives? Now let's take example. Let's say Musa is a governor and John is a class captain. You see, now this is another statement. Now when you look at it, you say Musa is a governor and, now what connects between Musa and this is what? And, meaning it's our connectives. So now this is a compound statement. So now let's talk about what are the connectives. We call them logical operations. They are as follows. There are 6. We have 6 logical operatives or operations. Whatever you can take is like that. The first one, we have what you call conjunction. Conjunction. This is the symbol of conjunction, meaning it normally comes in the form of what? And. If you see anything, if you see and in a statement, it means conjunction, which is and this. Then we have the second one, which is what? Disjunction. Disjunction, which is what? It will be like this, which is what? It's referred as an O. If you see a statement that has this O, it's what you call what? Disjunction. And then the third one, we have what you call implicative. Implicative. This is a symbol of implicative. And this implicative, it has what? If dash then. That's how it goes. If then. Now when we start example, you see how it works. Then we have the number 4. We have by implicative, implication, or implicative, do one whatever you take, just in English. Now by implication is what you call if and only if. You see there's a difference between this one is if then, while this by implication is if and only if. That's what the statement is said. If and what? Only if. That's what the statement is saying. Now, this we say now we have 6 connectives, right? So now we are going to continue with the ones. Let's say, okay, we have number 5 as in the exclusive O. Exclusive O, and this is the symbol of exclusive O. That's how it goes. Then the number 6 is what you have, what? Negation. Negation. This negation, and this is a symbol of negation. We have 2 symbols. You can write something like this, and they are all what? So now these are the 6 types of operating system, logical operating operation that we have, logical operation that we have. Then out of this, from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are what you call sentential connectives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are sentential connectives. Why this negation is what you call a unitary connectives. So in our next class, we'll be able to see how we can battle with them using synthesis. Thank you very much.